Here we'll show you how to add a new page to your website, your aprompt website. So there are two different places you can do this. They go to exactly the same area. So you can click on new page in your admin area, or you can click the green plus sign. It's the same thing. So you click new page to create a new page. You put your menu title here, and this is the words that will show on the front end of your website. So let's just put menu title for the time being. If you pass your mouse over or in the fields, it will show you what to do. In this field, you put your SEO friendly URL text. For instance, website-designers is a keyword rich URL for aprompt because we're website designers. You can choose whether to have the page as a parent or a child. We're choosing this page to be a parent. If you wanted it to be a child page, so it would appear as a drop-down menu, you choose yes, and you choose which parent it's going to be associating with. So we're going to have this as a parent, and we're going to choose which menu it sits in. So in this case, in this particular website, there's two areas you can go in: main or footer. Footer is at the bottom, main is at the top. You can have the page active or not, and you can have it being indexed by search engines or not. I would leave it as the default setting to be allowed to be found by search engines. You can also select an expiry date here. That should keep you going for a bit, 2099. You can switch the banner slideshow on or off, and you can choose whether to show single or a slideshow. Now at this point you haven't added any images to your banner, but you've switched the function on, so we can add images later on. You then add your heading 1. It's the most important part of your content, and then you put your content in here. And at the end, before you click save, you must put your browser title in. So again, this should be keyword rich. And you put your meta keywords and meta description here. If you need any help with all your meta information, then we provide copywriting services, so we're very happy to create your content for you, which includes the search engine optimization. And then you just click save changes.